How to look for positive ideas in the current market scenario, especially during COVID-19 lockdown. If you're tracking the news daily, you might be experiencing a shock of negativity. People will be predicting all kinds of doom and the outlook may look dull, seen from the news channel's eyes right now. But there are a lot of positive things to look forward to in bad times as well. It's just a matter of perception and how you look at it. Friends, make it a habit to look at the brighter side of things and you will automatically see only opportunities. Yes, there are threats, but don't get bogged down by them because you can certainly beat the crisis by being positive. Let me discuss some interesting positive ideas you can look at. Friends, recession creates unexpected opportunities. We need to keep this in mind. Did you know that the secondary impact of a recession can offer up good opportunities for businesses? All you have to do is try to predict the next booming industry. Suddenly, with so many people working from home, try to think of businesses which will benefit directly or indirectly. It's a very smart thought to be thought about, and you could end up riding the uptrend before the others. First mover advantage. Hiring the best talent is also going to be critically important. Friends, unfortunately, in such situations, people get laid off. Here is your chance to hire the best of talent which you couldn't get your hands on earlier. Look out for good people who deserve jobs and get them on board. Make them productive immediately. Friends, online market is going to boom a big time. If you have been hesitating to sell your products online, now is the chance to take the plunge. With fewer people willing to travel or go shopping, more people will be ordering online. This is the best time that you can catch their attention. So change your business model and set up your online market immediately. It can do a lot of help to you. Friends, acquire or support good businesses which are on the verge of closure but can have good times in the current scenario. You can operate them better than the previous owners. Many good businesses may be on the verge of shutting down because of lack of money or shortage of resources. If you can acquire these and support them until the upturn, you could make a fortune when the economy turns around, and it has to turn around very soon. Government will need good businesses to tie up with. It can be your business. The government is going to be playing a bigger part of our lives, a role in a bigger part of our lives going forward, since it has to make sure that things don't go out of hand. Think of a way to work with the government. Maybe there is something you can supply to the government in bulk, or probably organize something for the government, or maybe you can offer government your company's services to help it contain the pandemic. Friends, ride the trend rather than being a victim. Start thinking innovative. The best businessmen or entrepreneurs always rides the next big trend. They try to visualize where the world is headed next. When they see a lot of unemployment, they build job markets, or when they see a need for an alternative to individual offices, they build something like the common office spaces the way WeWork did. Friends, look out for such emerging trends and you could be a winner.
St. Angelo's VNCT Ventures is one of the largest villa developers in India. Brings to you the White Villas Shahapur. The Suzanne Khan designed villas comes with land ownership, 360-degree lush green view, very near from Mumbai and Thane, 3 kilometers away from Adgaon local railway station, 500 meters away from Mumbai-Nasik highway. Assured rentals with zero maintenance, high capital appreciation expected in coming years, world-class materials with best amenities. So grab the opportunity and do your villa booking today. Call us on 9011223344 or visit us on www.savvglobal.com. St. Angelo's VNCT Ventures is one of the largest villa developers in India. Brings to you the White Villas Kasara. Designer villas comes with land ownership, 360-degree lush green view, very near from Mumbai and Thane, 1.2 kilometers away from Kasara local railway station, adjoining to Mumbai-Nasik highway. Assured rentals with zero maintenance, high capital appreciation expected in coming years on this road. 20 feet double height living room, world-class materials with best amenities. So grab the opportunity and do your villa booking today. Call us on 9011223344 or visit us on www.savvglobal.com.